Hello and welcome to FunnelKit. Creating an order bump with FunnelKit is extremely easy, even for beginners. Let me demonstrate this by setting up an order bump in less than 60 seconds. Let's go. To start, go to your checkout in FunnelKit and click Add Order Bump. Give your order bump a meaningful name and click Add. Choose a design for your order bump. Select the product that you'll be upselling in your order bump and click Add. On the next screen, edit your order bump's content to encourage your customers to add it into their cart. In the Style tab, choose where you want your order bump to show on your checkout page, enable settings appropriate for your order bump, and then fine-tune the design using the options below until it looks just right. With your order bump's appearance complete, go to Products and tweak the pricing if necessary, choosing from various discount options. Lastly, head over to Rules and apply any conditions required for your order bump to show at checkout. For example, only showing your order bump if your customer has a specific item in their cart and is not already purchasing the product in your order bump. This is a great example of using order bumps to cross-sell related products at checkout. And with that done, that's it. Click Preview, go through your checkout process and make sure your order bump is behaving and looks exactly how you want it to work. And that's all you need to do to set up an order bump with FunnelKit. Order bumps is just one of the many powerful features included with FunnelKit. Other features include the ability for you to design high converting checkout pages, easily add one-click upsells to boost your average order value, and so much more. To start making more profit with your WooCommerce store, head to our pricing page to see our current deals.